In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on or turn off data roaming on your iPhone. To turn on or off data roaming on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your settings. So let's open up the settings app. So once you open up the settings app, I want you to scroll down. So I want you to tap on mobile service over here. Is it that you have cellular data? Is it that you have the cellular or you have mobile data? So I want you to tap on mobile service. So once you tap on mobile service, you are going to see mobile data options here. So I want you to tap on these mobile data options. So once you tap on these mobile data options, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, as you can see, it says data roaming off. So if you want to turn this data roaming on, just want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will turn on. And then if you want to turn it off, just have to tap on it again. Once you tap on it again, it will turn it off. So this is how you can actually turn on or off data roaming on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.